Reinforcement learning. It's a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Think of it like training a dog. The agent tries different actions in an environment. When it does something good, it gets a reward. When it makes a mistake, it receives a penalty. Over time, the agent learns which actions maximize rewards. A practical example is training an AI to play chess. The agent makes moves, and when it wins, it receives a positive reward. When it loses, it gets a negative reward. Through thousands of games, it learns winning strategies without being explicitly programmed with rules. Reinforcement learning is related to machine learning, which we've covered previously. While traditional machine learning learns from labeled data, reinforcement learning learns from experience and feedback, making it ideal for dynamic environments where outcomes aren't immediately clear. Reinforcement learning matters because it powers autonomous systems like self-driving cars, robotics, and game-playing AI. It's used in recommendation systems, resource optimization, and any scenario where an agent must learn optimal behavior through trial and error. Reinforcement learning.